Kiba lebih ya. Mau ya time teh. Nak kalian
Say hi. Hi.
Would you like to say something?
I want to reach home very soon now. My backbone paining.
Where is your backbone?
Back side.
Though we are coming very late, we enjoy a lot. Yes, first time in Jalukie. Not Jalukie, Peren. This is not Jalukie, okay? This is Peren. Wow. Hi, Peren. Wow.
Hi, Peren.
Hi, Peren.
Crazy, man, crazy. Hey, come on, click here.
The view is so beautiful, no?
Yes, Peren is beautiful.
But I can't see you. It's too dark. So this is my first time to be here in Peren town. We are coming here for the purpose of Zeliangrong-Inpui concert.
You're taking video or photo?
Done. Manthai from Manipur.
I said video. I mean photo.
Yes, there is. We are on the way to have a walk for concert. So these are my friend, my teammate, not my friend. They are elder than me.
Sister, is very active.
Wow.
She is my sister. Oh.
Wow.
She is my sister.
I think all the Assam girls are
My sister.
running after you, no?
No, all the Assam girls are my sister. Only Nagaland girls are my girlfriend.
So how do you feel staying here?
Very boring, very hopeless place.
Don't say like this. Don't say like this. It's good.
House is so very far, so very far now. Then cannot stay like this place. For bicycle also need to go 2-3 kilometers. This is not okay.
This is okay, man.
Not okay.
Good.
You know,
And how is her looks?
her look is so very beautiful. Excess, okay.
Great, man. I don't know, last time in Peren town. The people look very sexy.
Kapay na Ibu-ibu. Ibu-ibu dari situ. I'm on the top.
Here the mark of accident can easily see. Today we are in Peren town. We are going to organize a concert of Zeliangrong-Inpui. And then after this concert, 8 of December we'll be here. We will be there in Jalukie. So the people of Jalukie, we are going to be soon there.
No, today, tomorrow morning we will do interview with sister.
Okay. Before the concert, we are getting ready for the concert. Yo. You always want to have fun, nah? People are going to look at you. You're not supposed to say anything, okay? Today I'm having the vlog. You're not supposed to say anything.
What? What am I
You're not supposed to say anything, cause
No, I'm supposed
right
to
now
say
we
anything.
are about to begin the program. So the stand behind, those who stand behind the banner, they all are the artists for today's concert.
No. Don't take some video.
In today's world, any imminent gathering, when people are down or sad,
Yes.
Ay, look very oily.
Okay. What's your name?
Ay,
Okay. Right now we have finished our concert, and then here is Adam Lewis.
What? Don't take me now.
What?
One.
I'm going to disturb them. Okay, here is my president and secretary.
You sing with me now?
Thank you so much, Peren. We are leaving now. So thank you so much, Rosie and family, for your good hospitality. Thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless your family. So, right now we are heading to Jalukie. Finally reached Jalukie.
I thought of singing this song, okay? You don't even know me. For haters, no? See, you don't even know me. What did I do now? What did I do now? When he said, she said over here, acting like you're really in, but you don't know. You don't know. You don't know what
This is not a wine, okay? Red tea.
You don't know what kind of
Habibi galat susna kan ya.
You don't even know.
Eros nang zina nang lung keli selo anai gu samria trong hong sang relo
Oh my god! I'm out. I'm Korean. What is happening here?
Bazar Pongsi se New Jalukie Bazar. So right now we are here in New Jalukie Bazar. So we are out for selling the tickets of coming concert which is going to be held in Jalukie town.
Like original singer. Dilang singer, like original singer.
And then tomorrow we are organizing to have a concert. So in Jalukie town. So see, we are looking for donors. Like if you have any amount of money, like if you can help out, we will be so much grateful. Like any amount of money, like a 1-2 rupees, like we don't make a rate. So if you are willing to help us, we will be so much grateful. Yeah, this is what we want to say. And then that's all. And then this is a badge. Like if you come for tomorrow concert, you will be like entry will be free for this. So if you're willing to accept, please take it.
She's very smart, yes. You're very smart.
사랑해.
Like this or like this? Like this or like this? I don't know how to give
Like this.
symbol. Like this. Like this.
Anything, but not that big. Small. Look.
Yes, you're very
Yes,
smart.
okay.
So here is my team.
Hey, you are.
So this is New Jalukie market. Second-hand market of Jalukie.
Nhân này mà làm
Oh, film team mom ma.
biết tí bấm bấm ra.
Eh, si
Còn đang ngon là suy bấm bấm đi.
Okay, si sang noi.
Wait,
I have lots of friends from Mizoram.
So orang itu.
हम लोग स्टूडियो बनेगा ये जालुकी भी है, इसलिए डोनेट कर दो। लड़का भी ना। आप लोग को नहीं,
सुना ya.
मुझे।
Status play.
Okay, thank you.
I feel tired. We are not missing. Finally tingin putar ang ora last dot sui. Kang te helat. Nè. Treat te dai của xí lễ. Miss India là vào xí lễ. Mày là first time ở đây thôi á. Mà đầu tiên mà đây. Today I'm gonna enjoy this caterpillar. Bro, Helag is going to treat us. Super. Tebe. Yes, Jalukie! Come on! Today we have our concert in Jalukie towns. So she's a singer of Nagaland, a great singer here, a great singer from Silchar. Not.